Morning, my name is Sharla Devi Kurasingam. I am currently studying finance and economics at University of Malaysia Terengganu. I have done my schooling in SMK Perempuan Methodist Klang. Then I did my STPM from Chakra Education Center. Now I am pursuing my final year from University of Malaysia Terengganu. And I have a beautiful family of 6 members. My father is a private employee and my mother is a homemaker. I have 3 siblings. Okay, now let me tell you about myself. I find it easy to work with others and I am able to make friends in new environment. Not only that, I'm able to work independently regardless of the situation. This is because back in university when I was a student, I was an active member of economic club, and this has exposed me to students of various backgrounds. Today I have taken 16 courses in economics, natural resources, which comprises of econometrics, global economics, energy economics, sustainable development, as well as others. These courses have definitely enhanced my knowledge and skills in economics field. Besides to fulfill my courses requirement, I have also taken few language courses to improve my knowledge in other fields. I also have worked as part-timer as unit money laundering preventive officer, telemarketer, and also as sales assistant. I think these part-time jobs have definitely given me a valuable working experience. Finally, as the unit money laundering preventive officer, I was exposed to a totally new environment. Working as unit money laundering preventive officer was quite stressful for me. However, I overcome this situation perfectly. Secondly, as a telemarketer, I learned few manager skills as well as my communication skills. Thirdly, as sales assistant, it helped me to build my confidence when dealing with customers and definitely improve my communication skills as well interpersonal skills. Therefore, I think part-time jobs did help me to develop my personality. In addition, back university, when I was an active member of economic clubs and Bharatam and Indian Cultural Club, I have been team leader in many projects and been in organizing committee of many cultural events. This involvement in extracurricular activity have improved my interpersonal and communication skills. In certain that my skills together with my working experience would be relevant to current position applied. Therefore, I hope that to utilize my skills as well as my knowledge to make a significant in economics field. That's all about myself. Thank you. Next, I would like to talk about my strength that I possess. I believe that strength is an extremely important quality in life and crucial of self-esteem development. Well, besidely my qualifications and skills, I am a innovative person. This can be evidently seen in my involvement of extracurricular activities in both my school and universities. When I was in school, I represented my school in competitions like badminton and debates. Not only that, when I was in university, I actively got involved in various cultural programs as well as welfare projects. I often volunteer for projects in class and provided innovative ideas. I think that is my key strength lives in me being an enthusiastic team player. I will try to give my level best in that and do extra mile to complete the work done. I think to be an enthusiastic team player has also enabled me to work with people from various backgrounds and do not have any problem in working with anyone new. Secondly, I also possess a strong interpersonal skill and cultivated this skill when I was working as unit money laundering preventive officer. My boss often complimented me for the skills I possess since I maintain a good relationship with my co-workers. For example, whenever there is someone new in the team, I manage to maintain a good rapport with them and I don't have any problem in working with anyone new, regardless of their backgrounds. I think that interpersonal skills are extremely crucial and important to any organization, regardless of the field. I believe that my greatest strength are my positive attitude, that I like to take challenges, that I can do it and manage to use this attitude in good way of life. Having positive attitudes is not only important for working environment, but it also very important in life because it tries us to achieve our goals and objectives to fight the challenges we face. For example, whenever I face a stressful situation, I manage to convert the bad stress into a good one, and in the end, I feel good about it. Hence, the situation doesn't seem hard to be anymore, and I am able to work freely. Not only that, I also find silver line in every cloud, and having a positive attitude definitely helped me to move forward. Whenever someone criticizes me, I accept it constructively, and this enables me to move forward in a productive way. Finally, my ethic is I never neglect an opportunity for my improvement. That's all about myself. That's all about my strength. Thank you.